Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. And today we are going to discuss how to negotiate salary at Nagarro. Like I was getting a lot of queries regarding Nagarro, so I thought of making a dedicated video regarding salary discussions and like whether you should go for it or not. So before you even start, if either the HR is going to contact you or the consultancy is going to contact you. So my suggestion will be don't give them a like exact figure. So refrain from telling refrain from telling exact figure. Okay, and if they persist or like ask, then say something like whatever is the salary range or 50% or 40%, like if you are on the higher side of salary, and so you can simply say 30 to 50%. And nowadays like people are asking for 100% hike also, so this is pretty much normal. And like I'll suggest you to switch your speed to 1.5x for better viewing experience, because in past I have seen like my videos are like pretty normal at 1.5 speed. That will save your time also. Okay. And so yeah, like don't give an exact number in the first go, right? Next come like offer in hand. So if you have like a decent offer, and by decent offer means like product base or probably good service based, like those who are competitors of Nagarro. So in that case, you can take an advantage of your offer letter. Okay, and you can obviously go for a better hike. So by this, I mean like it should not be like mass recruiting organizations. I don't want to like name any one organization, but you understand what I'm saying. Like if you have an offer from a competitor of Nagarro. Okay, so in that case, like obviously, like they want to hire you because you have been chosen by the other organization. So in this case, you can obviously negotiate better. So try to get offers from a good product-based organization or good service-based organization. And sometimes it happens also right now you have not even begin your process, and you are currently at X amount offer you are holding right now. Like you are holding X, but like you are on the later stages of let's say X plus 5. You are expecting an offer from organization B at X plus 5, but you haven't got the offer letter. Okay, so in that case, like I'll suggest you to say directly this number, because it happened with me that in the later stages they will tell you, okay, like it's better to say this figure rather than this figure. That's my personal like opinion. And by the time you will be done with the interview of this offer letter will surely come. So like that is my suggestion. And try to like don't bluff it. If you don't like expecting, if you're not expecting this, then simply go with this. Otherwise, like if you are expecting an offer of this, say this. You got my point? Let's say, let me currently, you are holding, let's say 20 LPA. Okay. And you have given your interview went well, and you are expecting 25, but they haven't released the offer letter. So I'll suggest you to say, I have an offer of 25 right now, and I would like to go for 27 or 28 or probably 30 also, because these days like this is pretty much normal. Now, one more thing that salary discussions happen, negotiation happens at the later stages. Once you are done with your like apti technical, I have covered all the interviews in my other video, so do check it out. And after that, like you are done with going with HR, and in this, like the negotiation will happen. So here I'll suggest you to go back and see how your technical interview went, and if it is was like 10 out of 10, so definitely like ask for the higher side of salary, and like don't shy in asking like what is the range of your position. I'm like sure the Indian recruiters don't share that, but still like it's a good practice if you can ask, and probably like if you don't ask, the answer is always no, right? So like ask it, and if you feel like whatever, like this is just for example, if you feel like you should get 50, like tell them 50, like this is my range. Now one more important thing is location. Okay, so like obviously locations like Bangalore, then like Pune, Hyderabad. So if you are from South, this pretty much makes sense for you to join these locations. But if you are from North India like me, and let's say you are getting Gurgaon, Noida location, so this is based on like what the higher salary. Like obviously at the same position, at the same work, Bangalore position will offer you more in hand as compared to Gurgaon, Noida or Delhi. I'm not sure like whether Nagarro has an office in Delhi, but I'm sure about Gurgaon and Noida. So and nowadays like they have also opened their office in Dehradun. So these are called satellite offices, and like Dehradun, Jaipur. So like my view is, if you are a guy from let's say Jaipur, so and you join at Gurgaon. So the extra expense will that you will be spending, and so obviously like you should like if they are offering you Jaipur location, join it even if it is like -5 LPA. Okay, so compare your return on investment, and like you will be staying with your family and everything. Do consider these options, and if you are from let's say Haridwar, Dehradun, Rishikesh, and they are offering you Dehradun location, obviously like join it and don't negotiate and don't lose your offer on that. So yeah, these matters. And I gave you this like Bangalore will be higher, then comes Pune, Hyderabad, then the NCR like Gurgaon, Noida, Delhi. After that, all the satellite locations. So if you are giving you your desired location at like it's up to you whether you want to like join at Dehradun at 5 LPA less, or you want to come to NCR or go to Hyderabad or Bangalore at 10 LPA more. So that's like all up to you. But I'll suggest you like if you are getting your desired location, then like don't negotiate much further, and like just get your offer right now. Like negotiate at the last week. So although it is not like morally correct, but like take whatever offer you have, and at the last week. So like 2 or 3 days before joining, like note down what are the offer letters you have in hand, and which all organization you want to join, because at the end you have to like join a single organization only. Okay, so in that case like if it is Nagarro, then I'll suggest you like negotiate one last time, otherwise like let it go. Okay, so that is it. I hope this will be helpful for you, and if you have any doubts, please comment down below. I'll surely try to answer them. Thank you, guys.